Angela Wood dwi, cyfarwydd o gweithredol nyrsio a baidraigiaeth dwi. Dwi'n dysgu Cymraeg efo Beth, tiwtor Betsy Codwelder, pob dydd Clun yn Carlton Court. Dwi'n dysgu Cymraeg achos I want to be able to speak to colleagues, I want to be able to speak to the public and our patients and show my commitment to Welsh and to Betsy Codwelder. I'm really pleased to be here, and I think it's really good for me to be able to converse, even basically, in Welsh across the organisation and North Wales. I've been learning Welsh for a little while and I've completed the 10-week course with Beth. I really enjoyed every session of it and was really pleased to have passed my courtesy exam a couple of weeks ago. I was so nervous going into the exam, but I was really prepared by Beth and felt like I was such an achievement after I completed it and passed. I actually got 90%, so I was really pleased, and I've been showing off to the rest of the exec team about that.